Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to teach you a very important formula of Google is spreadsheet and which is query. So first I'm going to show you how to find max value with the help of query formula. So let's get started. So first I'm going to write the formula and then I'm going to find max quantity and minimum quantity amount. So let's get started. First I'm going to find, okay, so this and then select this and then I'm going to write mean, so quantity D, and then maximum quantity, so then after that and then one, so minimum quantity is 1 and maximum quantity is 20. So now I'm going to count rows of this I mean how many rows are located in this chart. So now I'm going to find it out. So using query formula I am going to use pivot table for this. So I'm going to select first 5 column, and after that I'm going to count count it I'm going to count quantity. So you can find this that sorry, 1 minute. So let's try another formula, and which is, suppose you if you want to find value in this quantity column which is greater than 5. So to find out that, you need to type so D greater than 5. Write down it again. So select a let's cd where D greater than 5. So you can see that values which are greater than 5 have appeared in this chart. So now I'm going to teach you another formula, and now I'm going to limit my data. So I want to see 10 I mean 5 data of this first 5 first 5 data of this chart. So let's say, to do this I need to use the formula, and which is First I need to select, and after that I'm going to enter the values, order it, order by region, ascendingly, and limit 5. So you can see only 5 data, highest to lowest amount, have appeared. Only 5 data have appeared in my 5, I mean 5 rows have appeared uh, in my sheet, and which is ascendingly. So now I'm going to show you another formula. So let's say if I want to see values which is 2000 less than date, I want to see those data which is before 2024. So I need first for doing this I need to type this formula, and after that I am going to select it, and then I'm going to select the list, then then I'm going to select, let's say I want to see product, product which before product purchased before 2024. So let's find it out, where B 2024, and after that so region, something went wrong. Okay, so just don't spend that time or spend too much time on it. So now I'm going to show you how to find so let's say if you want to see only first two values of this column, you need to do this. So you have to type query, and then you have to select all the data, I mean all the data, and after that you have to select the column which you want to see. So I want to see only sales price and total price, so you need to type I and J. So you can see that I and J appeared in my sheet, and And that's all for today, and keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Very soon I'm going to publish another video related to query. uh, Thank you, and keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.